round one. Okay, I'm playing Dmitry Gurevich, a GM that I haven't played in a long time. I played him when I was a kid. When I was like 15 years old, I played this guy. He's also extremely slow, I believe. But yeah, this is somebody that I was playing against when I was a kid. When I was like 15, 16, he was an adult and I was playing against him. He must be ancient though. He's got to be like 60 plus now, like 65, maybe 70-ish. I mean, age obviously just a number, but it's got to be pretty old. I don't know what that does. I'm gonna go b5. It's probably not a good move, but I'll do it anyway. What's wrong? Is my cam off? No, my cam is good. Go here. Someone just scared me. I think I just blundered too. Attack the rook. Like, I'm hitting all the pawns. It should be very good for me with c5 incoming next move. There's also a5, a4, c5, rook b5, bishop a6, which should be good. Like here, 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 here. You hit everything and you should be winning. I mean, you could obviously trade on c6, but should win this game. Actually, no, it doesn't work. Wait. a5, rook a3, bishop a. I think I'm just gonna go here on bishop a6. I think I'm winning a pawn. I'm not 100% sure. What the heck? Did I just blunder? Just ridiculous for me. If I take, he's got bishop d3. And this is a blunder too. Because now I'm annoyed. Yeah, now I'm just annoyed, so I just blundered. I'm probably not in bad shape yet, but it's not good. He's very slow though. I mean, I do know that much. No, that's just a blunder too. How do I trick him? There's no good way to trick him. Ridiculous. Just ridiculous. I like don't even have a good move here. Okay, I'm just gonna move fast and hope for something. Ridiculous. There's like no good moves. I should have played rook c8 anyway, but whatever. I'm gonna start picking up the speed here. The only chance I have of winning this game is if I can get him low on time. That's a mistake. Not a big mistake, but it's a mistake. I'm maybe back in the game though. He blundered knight c5. I'm maybe kind of back in the game. Oh my god, I just blundered again. Oh my god, what the heck? What the heck is wrong with me? What am I doing? I'm just blundering every which way. Oh my god, what the heck? Just when I was back in the game, I blunder again. What a disaster of a title Tuesday. I mean, there's just nothing I can do. It's just losing. I mean, if I get rook c2, bishop e3 tricks. I mean, what the heck was this even? Yeah, I mean, what the fudge is this? I mean, what am I doing?